Good morning. I'm just leaving an ASU Code of Conduct hearing. We had two this morning. One was for underage drinking. The other was for a more serious offense that I'm not 100% comfortable going into on a vlog. But we represent, and I could be wrong, I've never seen the statistics, but I would just guess because I'm in court every day. We represent more ASU students than any other law firm in Arizona. Probably 150 ASU students a year for all different types of offenses: underage drinking, urinating in public, disorderly conduct, fake ID, and then more serious offenses like sexual assault and drugs, etc. So we're good at what we do. We're familiar with not only the ASU disciplinary process, whether it's a formal hearing or informal hearing. We're familiar with the jurisdictions that have, or the courts that have jurisdiction over ASU students, including University Lakes Justice Court with Judge Kissel, or the Tempe City Court, or if it's a more serious offense with the Superior Court, Maricopa County Superior Court. So what you need to know is my office has the experience. We're very good at dealing. We know it's a stressful time for you and your student, or your child that's a student. Stressful time for you, it's stressful time for them. You don't know what's going to happen. Well, we do. We've seen every single fact pattern you could possibly think of. I've represented people for nearly everything you could think of. I've seen it all, I've heard it all, we're experienced with it. So what I tell parents or students, and periodically we have a student that doesn't tell their parents and are able to afford our services, that look, we have experience. It's a good investment to, whether you think it's the case is small or something that's serious where you absolutely need a lawyer for. It's always good to have a lawyer with not only experience the particular offense, but experience working with the ASU student. I'm a man of my word. If I tell you I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it. I always keep the parents involved. We always follow through with our clients. Sometimes we find ourselves to be just as much somewhat of a counselor to our student clients as we are an attorney. So they're struggling with their first year on campus. They're not making friends. They think they may have an alcohol or a substance abuse problem. We can walk the students through that. Trust me, you will feel very comfortable with our services, and you're going to be happy with the outcome. Whether it's at the ASU hearing or at the court hearing, you're going to be happy with the outcome. You're going to be glad that you hired us. So if you are an ASU student and you're looking for a criminal defense lawyer, or you're a parent looking for a criminal defense lawyer for your child, give me a call. Let's talk about the case. I'll tell you what we can do for you. 602-980-1987. Thank you.